जबरदस्ती आके पे they start honking. So actually, you know what, this guy जबरदस्ती honk करता है. I just parked my bike and I gave him one slap. I said next time, na, just because a woman is riding, don't do that.
Awesome.
Women's Day, yes. Are you a woman?
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
But he sings like a woman. Daft Punk का गाना सुन के बस गा के बताना. चलो मैम.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And first of all, happy International Women's Day. And for this special day and this special occasion, I have someone very important to meet you. My mother.
Hi, I'm Chaya. I'm Yash's mom. Please do follow him, and I hope he's entertaining you. I've been working in fashion retail for last 20 years with Levi's, Jack and Jones, Vera Muda, and Only. I am very passionate about bike. Unlike my husband, they both and my son, they both love cars. I will take you to my journey about what bike I like and what bike I ride. This is my son Zidan. Hope you love him too. And this is all about me. I'll take you to my journey. He's also introducing himself. Say hello, Zidan.
Arey Chai, you remember how we bought the first Bullet?
I just know one thing, कि whatever bike I bought, Bullet or Honda or Harley, it was first day, first launch. I just went to the showroom, I selected and you paid for it. So all the bike, Reddish Blue, Highness and...
so Highness, I think
Highness also was the first day, first launch. Even I bought a Harley, it was launched on the same day when I bought it. So I think I was the first female customer to buy it from all the stores.
Right, and they published you also.
Yeah,
on
they
the
published
papers,
me.
na?
They published me on the paper.
So, and no story about the Harley?
No story about Harley yet.
Okay, so we'll make a story for Kawasaki.
Kawasaki, yeah. Please buy me that
That I'm
next
paying
cup.
for.
Yes. Hey, please अभी देख लो कोई ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग funny होना चाहिए.
I started riding bikes after I've seen you riding bikes. So
Okay.
I mean, I've grown up seeing you riding bikes. I was super proud to go in school sitting behind you. मतलब सब बोलते थे अरे इसकी मम्मी बुलेट चलाती है, इसकी मम्मी के पीछे आता है रोज. So that was a very proud moment for me. And you know, over the span of these years, you've owned I think around 4 bikes. So which is the most closest to your heart?
So I think I like Honda more. I think it's more comfortable. I like going on a ride of a Honda. So more than Harley, I think I like.
और कौन सा बाइक नहीं पसंद?
No, I am not going to answer that question.
क्यों?
No, I am not going to answer.
अच्छा,
All
okay.
my bikes, what I have is.
Also, do you have any specific riding gear which you like and which you use?
Yes, I use Alpine Star. I have shoes and gloves of.
And they're good. I've heard that they made sizes, you know, inclusive for women also.
they're
So
good.
I think that's a very good thing.
That's good.
Also, you used to go for riding before. So where was the last time you went?
So last ride was in Bandardara, which was a year ago. After that, I didn't ride because
You haven't done anything before.
I was too busy with handling you and my dog.
मैं तो था ही नहीं एक साल.
हाँ नहीं but फिर भी तेरे को हैंडल यहाँ से भी वहाँ करना पड़ता था. तो but yes अभी मेरा next ride I'm looking forward to go to Ladakh.
Okay.
So that is.
And any plans of getting a newer bike or something?
For me, not for you.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a Kawasaki
मतलब
very
for me,
soon.
same thing.
No, for me.
Same thing.
तू मेरा बाइक हाथ नहीं लगा रहे.
वो तो दिखते
So for me, हाँ.
Which one? Kawasaki.
I'm going to plan to buy a Kawasaki.
Okay. Good thing. Or one more cheese.
हाँ.
So now that you know how to ride a bike, do you have any plans of empowering other women, teaching them how to ride a bike and starting your own troupe in the future?
Yes, I can do that. I've been riding for last 7 years. So yeah, कर सकते हैं. It's very easy to do.
So guys, keep on staying posted. So if she puts up something like that, definitely followers and subscribers, and we can see this happening in the future. So we just had a word with my mom. We had a mini interview kind of thing in what she likes, what are her plans for the future, and what bike she might take in the future. But that's enough talking. So let's move in and see what bike she has, and let's see her in action with it.
इधर शूट करना है इधर. अच्छा इधर शूट कर रहे हैं. अच्छा इधर कौन था वो?
The reason I know Yash is because of Shaya ma'am. अब तू जा सकता है.
जा तू जा.
हाँ, तू जा.
तेरा काम खत्म हो गया.
काम कर.
2 मिनट बोला 1 सेकंड के बाद.
So ma'am, how are you?
Hi,
Thank you so
Ranjit.
much for
Hi.
coming and doing the video with us.
Hi.
मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बताऊंगा. तो मैं पहले चलाता था निंजा 1000 और मैं और मैम मिले ऑफिस में. वी यूज्ड टू वर्क फॉर बेस्ट सेलर, बेसिकली जैक एंड जोन्स, बेरोमोडा ओनली और वो सब ब्रांड्स. तो एक दिन सिग्नल पे मैं भी खड़ा था और मैम पीछे से आई राइट से, एंड शी ओवरटुक मी एंड शी वेंट. एंड देन शी मेट मी इन ऑफिस एंड शी लाइक, तू क्या सुपर बाइक चलाता है, मैं तेरे को ओवरटेक करके चली गई. एंड मुझको मालूम है ना कितना गर्म हो रहा था, क्या हो रहा था. सो आई वाज बीइंग केयरफुल, but ma'am had overtaken. So that's where I started speaking to ma'am also about bikes. Ma'am, thank you for doing this. And so these are your two motorcycles.
Yes.
Which one do you use on a daily basis?
So a daily basis I use Harley. I actually drive it every day to work and for my workouts. But if you ask me between both, I like Honda.
But what is the difference? So what do you like about Honda over Harley?
Honda is very smooth. When I ride, I really feel very nice. I think the braking system is very good in Honda.
Honda तो मैम वैसे भी one of the best bikes.
Yeah. So in Harley, वैसे कोई problem नहीं है. But comparatively, I like Honda more.
Honda more. इसमें I think आप कुछ handle के बारे में बोल रहे थे.
हाँ. So now what happens is just because I'm riding a Harley every day, I find Honda का handle is थोड़ा छोटा. So that is little discomfort. That is the reason I ride
Harley. पर इसमें then आप कह रहे थे ना comfort वगैरह is unmatched. मतलब आपको इसका
comfort is unmatched. Comfort is unmatched. Very smooth. Turning के time पे it is so easy to take a turn. And when you go on a long ride, it is more comfortable. So
and जैसे if a woman wants to start riding, you started riding at a very late age.
Yeah.
What made you start riding? मतलब what is the reason that you took a bike?
Actually, whenever I used to go to work or anywhere, I used to see a lot of women riding bike, and it actually inspired me. I thought that क्या फायदा इतना height body रखे when you cannot ride a bike. And that is the time I started riding bike when I think maybe I was 40 plus.
Wow, yeah.
So
that's inspirational.
So I bought a Bullet.
I'll tell you, I have worked with her, and in that office, and I think there must be 300, 400 people in her office. Chaya ma'am is one of the most popular people till date. Like I've worked with her 8-9 years back now. But अभी भी उतना ही वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको जो आपका पकड़ है लोगों पे वो वैसे का वैसा है. And any time कुछ भी गड़बड़ होता है तो we used to go to Chaya ma'am कि मैम ये solve करके दो, and we would get a solution for it. Unfortunately, ma'am, यश को सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए हम लोग. Maybe someday we'll
Yash is a mystery, very difficult to solve.
That's a great line. Yash is a mystery. I like that. अच्छा मैम, माइलेज के हिसाब से क्या है बेटर?
So माइलेज के हिसाब से I think this is around 25-30. I'm not very sure. Yeah, I'm sure उससे कम ही होगा. So that is what it is. Mileage normally I don't check that much.
Okay. And when you're riding, what are the issues that you face? Like जैसे हम लोग के लिए होता है, you're driving, कोई ऑटो वाला कट कर जाएगा, वो सब नाटक होता है. तो आपके have you experienced something which happens?
See, really not. I don't experience that problem because मेरा रोज रिक्शा वाले लोग मुझसे डरते हैं. I have a fixed policeman who is standing there, so I can break the signal, so they don't tell me anything.
But you must be getting a lot of people turning and looking.
Yeah, I do. And I really love that.
That's nice.
Yeah, I have a lot of girls also looking at me and saying they want to ride, so I really love it.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है ऑटो से किसी ने thumbs up किया है?
many
ये होता है ना बहुत बार.
Many times.
That's so cool. अच्छा मैम, tell me, अगर किसी लड़की को राइड करना चाहिए तो आपके हिसाब से which bike should she go for?
See, I don't know. I was riding scooter for a long time.
Okay.
But when I started,
scooter मतलब moped.
हाँ, moped,
Okay.
not moped. हाँ, वो scooter. So when I started learning a Bullet, I think मैंने 1 घंटे में सीखा.
अरे वाह.
And then I realized कि it is not that difficult. It is very easy. I don't know why people are not learning it. So after that, I think मैंने 2-3 friends लोग को I inspired them and they actually learned the bike. One of my friends, she's 4.5 feet, and she rides a Bullet. She was thinking that height is a problem, but height is also not a problem.
So guys, this is one thing which you hear a lot of YouTubers also talking about, and actual people who ride. Point in case एक बंदा है बुल्लू बाइकर करके, very big YouTuber, and very nice content he puts. He's some 5 feet 2 inches and he rides. अरे पर वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ तेरे को, small YouTuber नहीं. नहीं भाई, sorry, respect to that guy. He's big. He has a lot of followers, but he also says the same thing. Height doesn't matter. It's about how you manage your motorcycle.
So when I was so I inspired my friend, 1 or 2 friends. She is right around 4.5. So she was saying, "नहीं मेरा पैर नहीं पहुंचेगा." But now she's riding a Bullet, and when I look at her, I feel so nice. No?
I'm sure. Yeah.
And I actually keep telling everybody, it is so easy. Please, all the girls, जाके सीखो. It is very easy.
And as per you, which one should they buy? If whatever you see right now, आपको कौन सा? Do you see them on एक आता है Hunter 350? I've seen a lot of girls on Hunter.
I don't know. I find still now, if you ask me, somehow I find Bullet now because that thumping sound now, it really gives you that power. So
awesome, man.
Yeah.
So I think overall, I think that was the conversation that we wanted to have. Anything else that you want to give as a message to the women apart from riding?
Yeah.
You're a strong woman in yourself. What would your message be with whatever is happening in the world? How should women now look at automobiles in a different way? We also see a lot of women driving. This I want to discuss with you.
Yeah.
एक होता है ना कि when I'm driving or when you're riding,
Yeah.
you see a girl driving in the rear view mirror and
Yeah.
you automatically worry कि यार ये कुछ करने वाली है.
Yeah.
I know there will be क्या बोलते हैं उसको, people will say yes, people will say no.
Yeah.
What is your point of view? If you see a girl in a car behind you, what do you do?
Frankly speaking, I say यार संभालो, I think ठोकेगी करके. But I still see a lot of female. They're really good driver. Yeah.
So we saw one woman driving a G-Wagon.
Yeah.
क्या चला रही थी वो, याद है हम लोग we had gone to do a video and she was with her son only, I think, and she was driving. क्या चला रही थी?
So my younger sister, she drives a Mini Cooper.
Wow.
When I see her driving ना, बाप रे, मतलब she was the person कि मुझे लगा था कभी नहीं चलाएगी. But the way she drives Mini Cooper, ना, it's just awesome.
Awesome. So ma'am, anything else that you want to tell us about the bike?
So I just want to tell all the women कि please go ride bike. At least Seiko, it is very easy. And once you start riding a bike, now you feel so confident. You feel so empowered that when people look at you and then they feel that अरे हमको भी चलाना चाहिए. So please go and ride. So that is what a message I think.
And you said you are interested in buying a Kawasaki 750.
Yes. So the thing is that what I do every 2 years I upgrade my bike. So earlier I had a Bullet. Then I took a Highness. Then I took 440 this. Abhi I am looking for 650. So I try my best that every 2 years I upgrade my bike.
So you're going for the Versys 650. That is your choice.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you planning on? You said you want to go to Ladakh.
Yes, I want to go to Ladakh. That is my dream. यश बड़ा हो जाएगा तो शायद I'll start.
और कितना बड़ा होएगा?
I'm waiting for यश to.
कौन सा?
रोज दिन में जाते टाइम आते टाइम कितने लोग को पीटती है?
हाँ, जैसे कभी किसी को ऐसे पकड़ के धोया क्या ऑटो वाले को या किसी को?
काफी बार.
हाँ?
काफी बार.
एक कोई, can you tell us one such incident?
So mostly I travel by that Sahar signal, Sakinaka Sahar signal.
अच्छा guys, just giving you context if you're not from Bombay, Sakinaka Sahar, it's like the Bermuda Triangle of traffic in Bombay.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Yeah.
Yes,
So I see a lot of rickshaw guys na, they whenever they see a woman riding na, जबरदस्ती आके पे they start honking. So actually, you know what, this guy जबरदस्ती honk कर रहा है. I just parked my bike and I gave him one slap. I said next time, na, just because a woman is riding, don't do that.
Awesome.
And also there was a tempo guy next to me. He just passing next to me and like, ma'am, क्या चला रहे हो? क्या मेरा दिल लिया आ गया. So I actually, they should know how to talk to women. So actually,
so did you give him some sweet words? Did you?
I did. But हाँ एक झापड़ तो उसको पड़ा.
अरे superb.
So
although we don't encourage violence, but you know how it is in our country, and I think only a woman like you can do that. But guys, the message is, first of all, Happy Women's Day. Thank you for watching the video till here. She's an inspirational woman for all of us here. I have worked with her, Yash's mom. And she's in love with motorbikes, so that's a part of our content, half part of our content. Hopefully, ma'am, you'll also start driving soon, and we can do a video with that as well.
Sure, very soon.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
And Yash, come na yaar, तू भी आना video.
यश आजा.
Yash आना ही चाहिए.
आजा यश कभी बाइक नहीं चलाता है. Whenever I am driving, so he is actually more than me. He is really proud of me. So whenever I'm riding a bike, I know he can ride, but he always want to sit as a pillion.
So
he really loves that. So whenever we go for workouts in the morning, he always sit as a pillion.
So sweet.
So that is one thing I like about him. So
and I'll give you some behind the scene information also. So whenever Yash is talking about you, na, if there is any problem, Yash का एक ही line होता है कि I'll tell Chaya, she'll fix it. That is very clear. I don't know still why he calls you by your name.
I have given the reason before.
Yeah.
But
She doesn't respond to mom, she responds to Chaya.
That's so.
To all the women out there, whenever you want to learn driving, please don't sit next to your husband.
Actually, he teaches you, is it? Oh, I understand.
Husband or any family member, learn it from someone else.
Yes.
Actually, learn it by yourself. Mostly.
Yeah.
तो खुद से ही सीखो.
Women's Day, yes. Are you a woman?
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
But he sings like a woman. Daft Punk का गाना सुन के बाद गा के बताना. Yeah. वो टेस्ला वाला वीडियो में ही सिंगिंग ना.
अरे उसका सब all women का song he sings very nicely with my nieces. Taylor Swift and all.
You know he wants to go for Shakira's concert. He's been after my life.
नहीं गलत तो कुछ नहीं है.
अबे तेरी मॉम है, गलत नहीं बोलेगी तू बाद में.
मुझे पता है शकीरा के लिए नहीं बोलती. She also wants to go.
Yeah, चलो.
She can go.
Why can't I go?
चलो.
He wants to take my nieces and go itself.
Niece's hand? Okay,
Yes,
chal,
please.
see you
Girlfriend
guys.
तो है नहीं.
Bye-bye.
अरे अच्छा, you're taking. You're
Yeah,
recording
all
it?
that is there, ma'am. But it's good content, the way we are speaking now. Nahi hai? It's so cool.
Eh.
Ma'am, but again, one
Thank
of
you
the
so
coolest
much.
people
Thank
we
you.
know. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And if you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. And
Sure.
please give a thumbs up for women like her.
Thank you.
And please, women, start riding more, ride safely, wear your helmets and gloves and jackets.